In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create domain TXT record in Cloudflare. We'll walk through the exact clicks and fields so you can add a TXT record for things like domain verification, SPF, or other service configurations. Start by signing into your Cloudflare dashboard. On the main page, open the domain section to see every domain you manage in this account. Choose the domain you want to work with to open its overview. Next, go to DNS. This is where all of your DNS records live. Make sure you're viewing the records area. Here you can add, edit, or remove entries for the selected domain. Click Add Record. In the type dropdown, change it to TXT. A TXT record stores text that other services read to confirm ownership or to apply email policies, so picking the correct type is important. In the name field, enter the host for this record. If the instructions you received say to place the record at the root of the domain, you can use the @ symbol or leave it blank depending on what Cloudflare shows. If a service gives you a specific subdomain, like a verification prefix, type that exact value. Don't add the full domain if Cloudflare already appends it for you. For TTL, select Auto. TTL controls how long DNS resolvers cache the record. Auto is a safe default because it lets Cloudflare manage a sensible value, which helps changes take effect without unnecessary delay. In the content field, paste the exact text provided by the service you're setting up. This might be a verification token or a policy string. Keep it precisely as given, including any required characters, and avoid extra spaces or line breaks. Quick formatting tip: you typically don't need to add quotation marks in Cloudflare, just paste the value as provided. If a vendor shows multiple strings for a single record, enter them exactly as shown. If it specifies separate records, create each one individually. Also, TXT records aren't proxied by Cloudflare, so you won't see the orange cloud toggle. They're always DNS only. The comment field is optional but helpful. Add a short note, such as the tool or purpose of this record, so future you or teammates instantly know why it exists. When everything looks correct, click Save. You'll be returned to the DNS records list and should see the new TXT entry there. Most TXT changes are visible quickly, but global DNS propagation can take a little time. If you're verifying ownership with another platform, wait a few minutes and then run its verification. That's it, you've added a TXT record in Cloudflare cleanly and correctly.